Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. And I am also fine. Before starting class, let me introduce myself. I am Khalida Begum Babli, Assistant Teacher of Artival Higher Secondary School, Kiraniganj, Dhaka. In our previous class, we discussed about question tag. In this class, we also discuss on the same topic but different rules. Okay, you can see these sentences, and in my previous class I told you that at the time of making question tag you have to take or you have to use helping verb that is given in the main statement. But what you will do when you don't have any helping verb in the given statement? I repeat it. What you will do when you don't get any helping verb? If you don't have any helping verb, then you have to borrow do verb. You have to borrow do verb. Do verb, that means do, does or did. Okay. Let's see the board. First line, you broke the glass. You broke the glass. Didn't you? Look here. You broke the glass. There is no helping verb. Am, is, are or can, could. There is no helping verb. So we have to borrow do verb here. But which verb we use here? Be careful. We have to use did when the given verb in verb 2 or in past tense. Broke is the verb, and we all know that broke is the verb 2 or in past form. Break, broke, broken. Verb 1 is break and verb 2 broke and verb 3 broken. And we get here broke, that is verb 2. In case of past form or in case of verb 2, we have to use did. Okay. In case of verb 2, we have to use did. Just look at the line again. You broke the glass. Broke is the verb 2, so we use here did, and it is positive statement and we make it negative. And take the pronoun here you, and at last we have to put a question mark. Now we go to the next one. I work sincerely. I work sincerely. Work is the main verb, and look, work, worked, worked. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, and it is verb 1. So we have to use do. It is positive, we make it negative, and then we use I, and after that we put a question mark. Look here, if we get a base form of the verb, then we have to use do. Now go to the next one. We play football. This is the same case, verb 1, so we use do, and it is positive, make it negative. He plays cricket. Be careful here, please. He plays cricket. We get here s with play. Play with s. When look, base form plus s or es. Base form plus s or es, at that time we have to use does, and this is base form and s, so we use here does, and same way positive, so we make it negative. Then next one, a good student always learns his lesson regularly. What is the verb here? Learns, and it is also verb 1 and added with s, so we use here doesn't. Clear? I think it is clear, and be more clear, I explain it again. in case of past tense or in case of verb to, we have to use did. And in case of base form of the verb, we have to use do. And base form plus s or es, we have to use does. There are certain words which express themselves negative meaning. Such words are never, no, nobody, scarcely, hardly, seldom, little, few, etc. When we get any of these words, then we make positive tag because this word itself negative. Okay, look at the board please. A language never stands still. We get here one of the word, that is never, and never is a negative word, so we make the positive tag. And it stands base form of verb with s, so we add here does. A language never stands still, does it? Now go to the next one. He hardly came here. He hardly came here. Hardly is also a negative word, so we don't make it negative tag. We make here positive tag. And came is verb to or in past form, so we use here did. He hardly came here, did he? Now next, a barking dog seldom beats. Seldom is also a negative word, so we make it positive. Okay, I again say the words never, no, nobody, hardly, seldom, scarcely, few, little express negative meaning, so at the time of making tag we use positive tag. Okay, let's see the board. The moon gives us light. The moon gives us light, doesn't she? The country is a beautiful one, isn't she? The Titanic sank, didn't she? Can you say why we use here she? Here is the subject is the moon, and in the next line the subject is my country, and at last the subject is Titanic. Titanic is the name of a ship. Why we use here she? Can you say? Okay, let me clear it. There are some words like earth, moon, ship, train, country, etc. We always consider these words as feminine gender. So at the time of making tag, we use, instead of this word, we use she. Look, the moon gives us light. There is no helping verb, and we get base form of verb with s. So we use here does, and for negative, for positive we use the negative doesn't, and for the moon we use she. Instead of the moon we use she because moon is considered as feminine gender. Next one, my country is a beautiful one, isn't she? We get the helping verb is, so we make it negative isn't. And let's see the next one, my country is a beautiful one, and my country is considered is as feminine gender, so we use here she. Now the next one, the Titanic sank. All of you heard the name of Titanic, I think, and Titanic is a ship, name of a ship, so we use here she instead of the word Titanic. Now my dear learners, it's time to say goodbye, and I think all of you enjoy the class and learn many things about tech question, and I also hope very soon we meet in our next class. Till then, stay home and stay safe.